and man it! Oh, it's so fast!
What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and welcome back to the channel. And today I have a 2020 GT500 in rapid red color behind me. I am super excited. I finally got my hands on one, not to mention driving one of these, and I get to do both of that today, all thanks to my buddy Michael, of course. This is going to be an amazing video. I am a big fan of the Shelby, so I'm super excited. They waited a whole year to get this car in. Let's get this video going. Alright guys, here it is, the 2020 Rapid Red GT500, fully loaded with every option. Michael, thanks again, as always. I caught you in a perfect moment.
Yeah,
fixing your hair.
You're so welcome.
This car is beautiful, guys. They waited over a year to get it in. I mean, look at the curves on this thing. So I'm a big fan of the Shelbys. I had a GT350 myself. They waited so long to get it in, and believe it or not, they're so good at getting great deals. They actually got this one for sticker, which was right around $81,000, and I'm telling you, this car is actually worth every penny. It's actually quicker in the quarter mile than my car is. Mine is a 10.7. This one's a 10.7, but it's stock, and it's 40 grand less than my car is. That's insane.
Yeah, that is
I mean, think about it, bro. What do you think about it? You've driven everything. You got the demons out here. You got every possible car you can think of.
So I'm as you know, I'm a die-hard Dodge guy.
Yes.
And then when I got in this car, I gagged a little bit the first time. It wasn't my choice. But after driving it, it's actually drives really well, which made me sicker. And so, yeah, I have to swallow my pride and say that this is probably one of the favorites now, even though we have 73 Dodges and one Ford. This is probably top 3, I would say.
In what, just overall power or handling, or what do you think?
Power, you know, I haven't really got on it until probably today. In overall driving, it shifts crazy quick. So really overall, top 3. So after today, it better not make top 1 or I'm gonna burn my car.
Time to sell yours, yeah.
I'm just gonna burn it down and do better, Charger.
That's right. But here's a few specs on this car, guys. So this is a 760 horsepower, 620 foot-pounds of torque. It is unbelievable what this thing can do. It's a dual clutch 7-speed transmission. So shifts like butter, and of course it can hold all the power you can think of. Guys, I mean, you gotta check out the curves on this thing. So I had a GT350, right? So the front end on those is a little bit different. Its design look different than the regular GT, but I mean, this one takes it to another level. I love how wide it is and how you actually got this, it's supposed to be, I guess, kind of like an airflow thing, vent on it, or at least for looks aesthetically, but it does give it a wider look on the sides. I love the front lip on it, of course. Look at this, dude. The side skirts, it's even got an extension on there as well. It's just beautiful. It's got 315s in the rear. That's how it should come. Every corner of this car is just beautiful. The way it flows. I love the black stripes across the top. It's even got blind spot monitors. I mean, come on now. This thing is like, it's a daily. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Brembo, 6-piston Brembo brakes, man. Those are massive rotors. I think bigger than even on my GTR. But there you go, guys. There's the massive, massive supercharger sitting on top of a 5.2 liter motor. Everything is carbon fiber composite underneath here, just like on the Shelby GT350. I love it, man. That's actually a tight fit, though. I'm not gonna lie. That's a big motor to fit under here. Any plans for modifications yet?
Nope. I think we're gonna keep it stock and then maybe keep it for 6 months and then trade it on a GT501 maybe.
What is that?
I don't know. It's trying to be
Are you
funny.
good, bro?
It's hot.
Blink twice if you need help.
It's hot, okay?
It is hot. It's like 90 degrees out here. Give us a little bit of rest, man. I gotta hear this thing.
Okay, I guess I can.
Look at this. That's how a car should sound, bro, from factory. That is amazing. So you said this is in the track mode. Is there different options? Like, what is it? Does it sound different, or?
Yeah, so I think we might be able to go to track. Okay, no, we
track mode. Okay. God, you can hear that supercharger, bro, all the way from here.
And then they have quiet. Well, let me see. So that's quiet mode.
Oh, snap! It's like a Fritz. It's a V6 Mustang. Nothing wrong with those.
So I guess that worked. I guess they work.
They do
Look
work.
at me. I'm like a mechanic.
No recalls, I know.
And then track, and then drag strip, and then wet, slippery,
Oh, wow.
and then normal.
It's crazy how everything's digital, man.
Oh yeah. So track mode is where they, I mean, I'll be honest, track mode.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, it changes that too. No big deal, whatever.
That is sick.
And I think drag race mode's the same way too. I think sport mode's different. Is it sport mode slippery, normal, sport? So sport mode should change it too. To that, yeah. So
Nice,
like that.
nice. Well, let's jump in, guys, and get this thing on the road. I'm super excited. I wonder how it's going to handle, how it's going to shift gears and automatics. With the twin disc clutch like in the GTR, it should be super smooth, super quick shifts. But look at that. That color is amazing. That metallic flake in the paint. That's what I'm talking about. That's the way we do it around here. Let's hop in and go. Oh my God, man, this is a beautiful interior. Look at the stitching on the seats, and you still got back seats in here. Oh, we still got to put some car seats in there, see what that looks like.
Absolutely.
But let's go ahead and start this beauty up. There's the engine start button. Let's see. Oh man, look at that. Full digital screen, guys. Does not get better than that.
So I'm just gonna be in track mode pretty much the whole time.
Okay, I hope so.
I can't disappoint you.
You can't disappoint us, man. Oh, that's so smooth.
Right?
Wow, no clanking, and it's a twin disc clutch.
Yeah. We are on
Dude, this
the
thing is
street.
so freaking smooth, man.
Oh, I know. That's what I like about it. And it sucks because the Hellcat's the opposite of smooth.
I mean, no, it's like driving a couch from Ashley's Furniture, but I mean, this is different. This like,
That's true.
God, that screen. Bro.
Listen how fast it shifts. See, watch, that's it.
What?
Whoa. Downshift again.
That's quicker than my, no way.
Isn't that crazy? Downshift again. No, wait, it's first. Okay.
Yeah, can't go any lower than first. Dude, that's insane, man. It shifts quicker than my car.
And upshift. And upshift. Isn't that crazy? It's like it does it while you're thinking of it.
So is this your first time driving it too?
First time in the daylight.
What do you mean?
First time, I drove it.
Stole it at night?
No, I drove it.
Oh, you drove. Gotcha.
And it was at night. So I was like in slippery mode.
Scared, yeah. Oh, I got you.
I don't know why I was slippery.
Dude, I can't believe you got this for sticker price though. That's insane, man.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. No, I honestly don't know either because there are people paying like almost 200 grand for these.
Yes, they are. I seen a track edition one, so that's like a $18,000 package, I guess, right?
all carbon.
Yeah, the wheels, the spoiler, but they wanted like $40,000 over sticker right now. So, and so there will be somebody that pays it, but I just don't see a reason for it because put 5,000 miles on it, whatever, everything depreciates. You know what I mean? So you can pick up one of those for way below sticker. But this thing is so amazing, guys. Dude, these seats, I can't describe it. I've been in all kinds of cars, and this is one of the most comfortable seats I've ever been. Like that Zeal 1,
really
you know, Zeal 1 is, it's a comfortable car.
Yeah.
Those seats were amazing, and their fabric, well, this is leather, perforated leather, and it feels like you're sitting on the fabric seat. You know what I mean? It's amazing. It really is.
It is comfy, which also adds to the points for it. It's almost like we're doing a review together,
right?
Because when we did the Hellcat, I was like, I know every piece of this car.
Yeah, 80,000 miles on it.
But this one, I don't know what's going on.
Good. So this has the Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's fully loaded. It's got Alcantara everywhere. Premium package because it's got the heated, cooled seats, of course. I mean, everything you could think of for $81,000. That's $40,000 cheaper than my GTR, and it puts down the same track times, actually better than my car. And it's stock. Yeah, because mine does 1077 with all the work I've done to it in a quarter, and 6.8, and this does what, 6.7, I think.
6.7 apparently.
That's insane. That is insane.
There's really not a reason not to buy this car now.
That's what I'm saying.
It shifted on top.
What?
Oh, magic.
It downshifted too?
This car came with magic.
I love it. Sprinkled everywhere.
I wonder if I get a second. Oh.
Golly.
Oh.
The seat is so comfortable, man.
That was the coolest part about that was the seat for you?
Dude, no. Here's the thing. You know when you launch, like you get like thrown into the seat while I'm getting squished into, you know what I mean? It's like it's slowly softening the blow down. So I've seen these cars with barely any mods, full bolt-ons, E85 injectors, intake pulleys and stuff like that. They put down over 1,000 wheel horsepower,
Isn't that crazy?
bro.
That's another reason to get this car.
It's too perfect.
There's like nothing wrong with it.
That's what I'm saying. Nothing to criticize the car about.
Yeah, you can't say one bad thing. I mean, other than that's a Ford, but other than that, I mean, really, there's, nothing bad. And it's almost as comfy as the Hellcat.
I mean, it's ready for the track. When's it going on the track? Speaking of that,
Probably as soon as the track opens, because they just closed down
I know.
the rear.
Which means more street racing videos.
Yeah, more street racing.
That's
yeah.
right. We need to do that. It's been a while.
Yeah, well, I usually don't because I'm a law-abiding citizen. But
That's right. That's right. We
usually,
record so we can report it. But that's
yes,
it.
yeah, we usually call in the officers. And sometimes we chase them. You know, we have to keep up.
That's right. Yeah,
You know,
gotta get that plate.
We have to get the evidence. Point
So,
blank.
what's the chance of this coming out to play?
Oh, absolutely 100%. Actually, I
What?
want to race this against my Charger.
Bet.
Because
Which one am I driving?
you can drive this.
Yeah, you're lying. You're lying through your teeth right now. You know it.
So it's comfy, check.
Yes,
So we gotta see if it's fast.
check. Not check yet.
40. Ah, it's fast, it's fast, it's fast.
Holy crap, bro.
So it's fast.
Whoa.
So that's good.
Okay,
But I
okay.
want to get. That wasn't really full throttle.
I didn't think it was. You need more. I mean, you feel it, but
So,
for 760.
We'll try it again. All right, foot to the floor.
Okay. Oh!
That's it.
Yes! Yes!
Oh,
What was different, dude?
I don't
What
know.
was that?
that was faster.
What did you do different, bro? Come on now. That first one I was like, I hope that's not all of
I
it.
don't think I put it down all the way in the first one.
Oh my God,
I
bro.
think I was leaning into it.
So Redline is 7,500
Yeah.
RPM as well,
Wait,
guys.
we can do it one more time.
Please.
I'm gonna really lay into it this time. Ah, it's fast.
Holy crap, bro.
You know
Dude, I
what?
love it.
Yo,
And it
this-
didn't spin.
This is fast, but it's not like I feel. It's not like I can't control it fast. It's like,
That's what I'm saying.
you know, it's like
This isn't
gosh darn it, I like this car. Gosh darn it.
This isn't a Mustang, guys.
This
This
a
is not a
Shelby.
Mustang. It didn't squeal. It didn't do anything. It didn't try to get
That was
sideways
in
on you.
second gear. That was like a second and fourth.
Wow.
My car would have thrown us into the trees.
Oh, absolutely. We did that on this one last time on the
Yeah.
Hellcat. Remember on the way back?
Oh my gosh, this is a fine car. That was
Dude.
so much fun.
There's nothing to complain about.
There's not one thing to complain about in this car.
Crap. There's got to be something, man.
I gotta find it's on the carbon fiber everywhere.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Everything's
I mean,
comfy.
come on now. Overdid it.
I bet it would do terrible off road.
It's even got memory seats. I mean, come on now. That's ridiculous, dude. It's a race car.
Dude, this thing is so.
I love it. I freaking love it. Dude, the shifts are so on point. It's better than my GTR. Mine's tuned transmission. Oh, this is gonna be
You're
fun.
gonna trade if you drive this. I swear.
Oh, that's a problem.
I couldn't
Well,
trade.
dude, I've seen some for like 80. Well, 80 for sticker, dude.
We are.
Dude, you
good.
can feel the power, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm not even touching. It's roaring.
Isn't that crazy?
Yes, it is. What's it doing? It's like, it just wants to go. Dude, this is sick.
Oh, there's one. There's one right there. That cheeky bastard.
Dude, why? It's a Sunday, man. Go home. Spend time with your family.
Yeah. I know.
Wow, he's staring. He's staring.
Was he staring at us?
Yes, he was.
Whew, okay. So on this episode of Michael and Alex Go to Jail,
Nah, we ain't going to jail. I'll promise you that, man.
you know what that means.
Second gear.
Second gear and man it! Oh, it's so fast!
Oh my god.
Isn't it fast?
Holy crap, bro. That was totally 45 miles per hour times 2.
That was like,
Dude.
yeah, wasn't that? It works.
But it's like, oh my god, it's so refined, dude.
Oh,
it's
I
so
know.
smooth with the way it launches. Wow, man. Okay, 4th gear at 50, right? Let's just see what that does.
See
at
what it does.
2000.
Oh, no, downshift for you. Okay.
Wow, bro. Yeah, it did. It went straight to 2nd gear.
Oh,
It knows.
this sly dog.
Oh, you can't beat this car, man. There's so much technology in it, dude.
Oh man, this is gonna change so many people over to
Absolutely.
Ford.
Absolutely, bro. It might change you.
No, can't do that.
Yes, it will.
But it can influence me.
All right, guys, we figured it out, man. There's completely nothing we can complain about on this car,
There's
dude.
not
There's
one thing.
literally nothing at all, man. It is just such a perfect, refined car, man. Seriously, we did a 30 pull, a 40 pull. Not once did these Michelin spin at all, man. This is unbelievable, dude.
Not only a 40 roll, we did it in 2nd gear.
That's true, man.
Which
That's
is
the
like
big thing.
Pretty high up in RPM, so that's like spin territory.
I don't know, guys. Should I get one of these for the channel? Let's do this. We're going to do a comment. Tell me if this car raced against my GTR and the RX-7, what do you think the ranking would look like? Which one would be placed first, second, and third? If it did a street race, 30 or 40 wheel, something like that, I would love to see what it's going to do. So comment down below which one you think is going to win. This will be very, very interesting to see, guys. And also let me know, do you want to see this car on the channel? If you love this review as well, make sure you drop a like and a subscription, guys. This means a lot to me. I got so much more exotics and stuff like that coming to the channel as well as street racing as soon as this thing can come out, bro. Come on now, please. I got to see it, man. That's what we live for. But thank you, Michael, as always, man. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for all the support, guys, you're always giving me. Have a good day, guys. Enjoy your lives, enjoy your cars, and I will see you next time. Peace.